Moon will move on 24th of November to the house of Cancer, which is Moon's own zodiac sign. Now, when Moon is moving in the zodiac sign of Cancer, Moon will be aspected this time by a Saturn in the sign of Capricorn, but this time Jupiter is no longer with Shani. Jupiter will have already moved to the sign of Aquarius, therefore Jupiter will be 8th from the Moon. Also, Mars will be alone in the sign of Libra. And if you observe, this is a brilliant position for the Moon, because on one hand, Moon is in his own house. On the other hand, there is a mutual aspect of Saturn and Mars. In fact, it's a mutual aspect of exaltation. Mars will aspect Saturn with 4th aspect. Saturn will aspect Mars by 10th aspect. Although Mars will have no aspect on the Moon, but Saturn will have direct aspect on the Moon. So definitely Moon will reflect the quality of Saturn with the happiness of Mars. That means the amount of efforts you would have put in by this time, you will feel happy about it. This can be a negative emotion, but a negative side of this will be that any kind of debate or fight at your home for anything, maybe it's about competition, it's about an expectation, it's about an household work that one is supposed to do or responsibility, that can turn out into an ugly war, and you might feel literally sad about that. You want peace of mind, but Saturn Mars can end up fighting towards each other, yes, for their own improvement, but because they are very strong planets, Moon might not be able to handle the energy. So try to avoid any kind of fight at this point in the home. If you feel that there can be some sort of quarrel, then what you should do, you should pray to Lord Hanuman. Pray Hanuman Chalisa 3 times for the next 3 days for a peaceful mind. But remember, this is a very positive time if you can handle the energies, because Rahu is 11th from the Moon, which is a very positive position with respect to Moon. It can give you some new source of income. It can put you into a situation where new ideas, new opportunities can come, and you can do wonders about it. Also, if you observe, the position of Jupiter being 8th from the Moon means you can invest this time in deep learning, read scriptures. Reading Bhagavad Gita will actually give you answers that you're looking for.